looks like a jet fighter's cockpit. Twin engine like a plane. A catamaran speedboat that glides like a plane. All of this can be yours for a pocket change and a DIY skill. So let me present you another wonderful build by Nasat channel. As you can see, we have a 2-engine that can be bought at any junk shop. We also have a styrofoam, plywood and fiber mat. He started marking up the styrofoam to know where he will cut it. Then he proceeds to cutting. After that, he also proceeds to the plywood. Then he began assembling the styrofoam in the shape of a boat. And when he's done with the foam, he also started attaching the plywood. Then applying fiber mat and resin, resulting in a sturdy fiberglass hull. This is a diesel engine, paired up with a marine transmission, giving the boat forward and reverse movement. The boat is now near complete. All we have to do now is install the engine, attach the 3-blade propeller, and connect the cable for controlling the boat's speed and direction. To properly run, an engine also needs a cooler, a gas tank and a fuel gauge. And now that everything is complete, this is the final result.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame. I admit it. Looking to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all. You got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all.